planet is the greatest living puzzle in the universe. A collection of worlds within worlds. Each one a self-contained ecosystem, bursting with life. But how do they work? The intricate web of relationships and the influence of natural forces makes each micro-world complex and unique. So to discover their secrets, we need to explore them one by one, untangle their interlocking pieces, and ultimately reveal the vital piece, the key to life itself, hidden deep within each of nature's micro-worlds. The ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface. And we may think it's brimming with life from shore to shore. But actually, that's not quite true. In fact, in most of this ocean, life can be hard to come by. Instead, most marine species are condensed into intense pockets, crammed along the coasts. And in tropical seas, these colourful coastlines are the most diverse ecosystems in the ocean, the coral reef. These coral reefs are found across the world, but one of them is the master of them all. It is simply the largest living structure on Earth, the Great Barrier Reef. Of all the reefs on the planet, how has this one managed to achieve this incredible size? But scale isn't the only success of this microworld. The water that this reef basks in lacks many of the nutrients vital for life. So such a vibrant ecosystem should have struggled to get a foothold here. So how has this enormous place managed to survive? To understand this, we first need to find out what it was that allowed the Great Barrier Reef to get so big. The reef stretches along the northeastern coast of Australia for over 2,000 kilometers.